It has been more than 4 years since the deadly shooting on the Rust movie set. Cinematographer Helena Hutchins killed when a prop gun fired by Alec Baldwin discharged a live round. His criminal case dismissed, but a civil case will continue. Leah Chavez is here with why.
Yeah, that's right. The man bringing this lawsuit says he worked closely with Hutchins, saying he was there holding her as she died.
The Alec Baldwin saga is still not over.
A civil trial could be on the horizon for actor-producer Alec Baldwin, a California judge ruling Friday. Serge Svetnoy, the head lighting technician on the set of Rust, bringing the lawsuit, alleging he suffered emotional distress because of the 2021 shooting that killed cinematographer Helena Hutchins.
Baldwin's consistently claimed that he didn't pull the trigger, that something happened that was out of his control.
Svetnoy says the bullet barely missed him that day. Now suing for negligence, assault, and intentional infliction of emotional distress, asking for punitive damages in return. A judge finding no grounds for the assault claim, but writing that a reasonable jury could find reasons to uphold the other two.
It's going to have to prove it in court, but that Baldwin holding a gun on that film set owed a duty to anyone who could have been in the line of sight of the gun, who could have watched what took place.
KUAT legal expert John Day says in this case, if both Svetnoy and Baldwin feel they have a winning argument, they'll likely go to trial. However,
most cases do settle before trial.
Several civil lawsuits have been filed in connection with the shooting, including from other crew members and from Helena Hutchins' husband. Those cases were settled ahead of trial and there was no admission of wrongdoing.
And it remains to be seen what that outcome is going to be.
We've reached out to both legal teams, but so far we haven't heard back. It's still unclear when this case could go to trial or if it might be settled before then. Reporting, I'm Leah Chavez, KUAT Action 7 News.
Legal battles over the shooting have been going on for years. Armorer Hannah Gutierrez-Reed is out of prison after a jury convicted her of involuntary manslaughter in 2024. Months after that, Baldwin's criminal case thrown out because the judge said there was misconduct by the prosecution. Now he cannot be tried on that same charge. Baldwin has since filed a lawsuit claiming malicious prosecution.